Hello, Dumela, welcome, Gyal Amuhela. In this channel, you're going to learn how to have conversations, learn grammar, phonics, and a little bit of reading. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Hello and welcome. We're going to continue with introductions, but this time we're going to be introducing your name and asking others their name, both in singular and plural form. If you have already watched my previous videos, you would have to understand or at least have a clue on how to make just a basic introduction. Okay, so names and introductions, singular and plural. We're going to start with the English side. What is your name? Lebitso la hao o mang? What is your name? Lebitso la hao o mang? My name is Lebitso la ka ke Mpho. Lebitso la ka ke Mpho. What is his or her name? Lebitso la hae ke mang? Lebitso la hae ke mang? His or her name is Lebitso la hae ke Thato. Lebitso la hae ke Thato. What is your surname? Fane ya hao ke mang? Fane ya hao ke mang? My surname is Fane ya ka ke Tau. Fane ya ka ke Tau. What are your names? Mabitso a lona le bo mang? Mabitso a lona le bo mang? What are their names? Mabitso a bona ke bo mang? Mabitso a bona ke bo mang? Their names are Mabitso a bona ke Lebu le Thabiso. So just focus on the highlighted words. Your, how, your is how, my, laka, or yaka, his or her, haye, his, her, haye, your, how, my, yaka, your, lona, their, bona, their, bona. It actually sounds more like Chinese if you actually say it faster, like how, hi, how, yaka. Yeah. And then let's just make a short dialogue if you were going to introduce yourself or someone is making an introduction. So this dialogue is between a 15-year-old lady who is Mpho and a 25-year-old man who is called Dao. Also remember that in Sesotho, titles are used before people's names. That's why we're going to be using Ausi, which refers to sister, and Abuti, which refers to brother. So those are the titles that we're going to be used just before their names. And this is going to differ because of their ages, and because of people's marital status. All right, so the information we have here is their age groups, and clearly they're probably unmarried. Okay, so Dao starts off and says, Dumela Ausi. Hello, sister. Dumela Ausi. And Mpho responds, Dumela Abuti. Hello, brother. And Dao says, Lebitso la hao mang? What is your name? And Mpho responds, Lebitso la ka ke Mpho. Wena o mang lebitso la hao? My name is Mpho. What is your name? And Dao responds back, Nna lebitso la ka ke Tau. And Mpho says, Ke thabela ho tseba abuti Tau. So I'm just going to say this without saying the English parts. Dumela Ausi. Dumela abuti. Lebitso la hao mang? Lebitso la ka ke Mpho. Wena o mang lebitso la hao? Nna lebitso la ka ke Tau. Ke thabela ho o tseba, abuti Tau. So here you really need to remember the previous lesson. When you refer to yourself, ke, low tone, but if you're referring to someone else, ki. Okay, so that's all you need to remember for that. But basically for today's lessons, it was just this short how to introduce yourself and how to respond when someone is introducing themselves to you. And another pleasant thing to know is to say, ke thabela ho o tseba. I am pleased to meet you. Ke thabela ho o tseba. In that case, I'm happy that we had this lesson today, and thank you again for supporting my channel. Please do not hesitate to subscribe and leave any questions and dialogues, and comments if you do have, and any suggestions that you'd like me to cover.